All right. So on our warm up, again, second week of warm ups. So you know what to do from last week, hopefully, right? You write your objective on the second column. You always want to look for announcements. There's two announcements. We're gonna have a quiz Wednesday on constructions. The stuff we did on Thursday and Friday, you're doing an assignment on it today. We're gonna have a quiz on it on Wednesday. Okay, so you want to make sure you know what to do with these compasses and rulers. Okay. And then we're gonna have a test on Friday. Okay, so we're gonna review on Thursday, and that's that. So make sure you turned in last week's warm-up sheet. If you were absent Friday, put absent on Friday. Turn it in. If you didn't turn it in or whatever, make sure you turn that in. If you didn't get it yet, I'm gonna pass these out to you. But on these little progress report sheets, now this stuff you can get any given time at any moment on Skyward, online or on an app. I think there's an app, but also just on the Skyward website. So again, if you see a 1 on here, that means it's missing. 1 means missing. I'm saying it, it's on the board. You got to know that. Okay, now let's do this warm up. It says, which two rays make up angle APE? Does everyone see angle APE starts at A, it goes to P, it goes to E. So it's this angle right here, APE. And it says which two rays? Now, I know I don't see any arrowheads, but here's the deal. At A, it's going towards A forever. It's also going towards E forever. So, check it out. There are two rays, and I want to know the name of these. Now, I'm showing you this kind of tricky problem because it might be on the test on Friday. All right? So again, you want to know how to do this so that everyone's paying close attention so you don't ever get this wrong, maybe on the test on Friday. Okay, so check it out. This is a ray, right? What is the name of this ray right here? Okay, how do I name that? PA or is it AP? Okay. I only hear PA, so no one's confused about PA versus AP. You always start at the end point and you go towards the arrowhead forever. Now I had to draw the arrowhead, but you get the idea. This is the vertex of the angle. Always start there. So it's PA. You see how letter B is a distractor? Don't get distracted. Don't get goofed up. Okay. So PA is one of my rays. Okay. That's one ray. What's the other ray? So I heard PE. Anyone think it's EP? And a lot of people do because you read left to right. You're like, hey, EP. Makes sense, right? But you start at the end point, at the vertex. That's P. And it goes towards E. So it starts here, goes towards there. So it's P, E. So notice the two answers are A and E, not B and F. Okay? So it's not flipped around. You've got to be careful with that. You've got to know that stuff. Okay? All right. So that's your first warm-up problem. Number 2, what is the opposite ray of PC? Now let's remember, opposite ray, again, you might have this problem on a test. An opposite ray is when you have one ray going one way, another ray going the other way, you make a straight line. So let's look at PC. I'm going to erase what I had marked before. PC starts at P, goes towards C forever. So I want to think which ray is going exactly the opposite way, making a straight line. So instead of going P towards C, it's going to be what? P towards E. Make a straight line, right? So starting here at P, going towards E. So P, E, and since it's a ray, what do I put on top of it? A ray. A line with one arrowhead. That's fine if you say it that way. But it's gotta look like a ray on top, pointing to the right. Okay, so that's my answer for 2. This is the answer for 1. Everyone has their warm-up for Monday, and you wrote the date, and you wrote your objective, and you wrote the answers, right? Can't forget that. That's the point. Okay? Right up here, top sentence. By the way, you're never going to write the second sentence, justify my answers. Don't do that. It's the top sentence, okay? All right, now we're going to go over these quizzes, but just for the recording's sake, the assignment today is on constructions. You're going to take your notes from Friday, have them out on your desk. You're going to work on this constructions assignment based on what we did on Thursday, Friday. Okay. All you're doing is one of each example, and there's 2 reverse examples that you're going to do. I'm going to pass this out to you after we go over the quizzes, but for the recording, I'm just letting you know. That's the assignment for those who watch this video that I'm recording. And just remember, quiz on Wednesday over construction stuff that we've been doing, that we're doing today. And then we'll have a test on Friday. There'll be a review on Thursday. Okay, that's it.